What is up, guys? Jamaica vs. Gamer here for the first official reaction video on the new reaction channel. So let me shout, got the headphone them. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and like the video. If you like the video, like the video. So today, the first video, I pay respect to my brother, my G for life. Jnel comedy. Jnel comedy. So this is my G. Whisper challenge. Whisper challenge smell like that's supposed to be poop. Yeah. Yeah, so I do the first reaction channel, first reaction video to this. On the channel, out of respect for my brother, you don't know the thing go. Big up Jnel, big up Bun also, my G2, big up Cash, the whole Promise Move team, big up on yourself. Alright, let's jump in it and see what is this about. I haven't watched this one yet, I promise you, I have not watched this one yet. So let's go.
Welcome peeps, you don't know your boy Bun.
Welcome peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel. So what you know? Today we are full now a whisper challenge.
Yeah.
You see me? And it's something we normally do, but you don't know we are try something new. So basically, what we are gonna do?
We're gonna play a song in our ears where we can't hear the next person.
Loud.
And then we're gonna try to read. You know, like say the party.
Read what you must say.
Say, yeah.
Why you like say the part the Bun? One to the part the Bun. I don't understand you, brother. What you mean you don't like say that? People, actually, let me just make this clear. Meeting these two guys, like them so down to earth. Jnel, in talk more on camera than in a real life. Them man they talk quiet. Them man they talk to them man they talk quiet. You see me? I'm a G man. Big up man. Big up Bun man.
Yeah,
so basically, we just like try to entertain them, is it? So,
yeah.
So basically, we're gonna buck the song in our ears, you see me? And we're gonna say something on me for, like, guess what I say. You see me? I know I'm gonna chat about of, but
don't go about Jnel.
So watch and stay tuned to the video.
Please like,
hit the like button.
share,
Definitely.
Yeah.
and subscribe.
Definitely. Definitely.
And kick it off. Alright, so
Yeah.
basically, I'm gonna play the music. So we have the laptop right just up on the ground because we don't want it up on the table. It's gonna look distracting.
Yeah.
You see me? So I'm gonna start it right now and see what I'm going to feed. Ready?
Ready? Let's
We'll
go.
go in there now.
I give the song some time to start. Cause they are the low part now. Alright, so you hear me? You hear me? You know if you hear me.
Me here.
You're supposed
Oh,
to
so you hear him? So you hear him, Bun?
Me here. Turn it up a little bit more.
You hear me now? Eh? So you still answer me, you know, hear me?
No, here.
It's not here, not here,
Me
not
read the
here.
lip.
It's not here.
Alright.
If I look
Alright,
on
so
Bun,
the
I
first
Bun, I
one.
focus on him lipping up.
Right? Two of your nose big. I put my two up on it.
Yo, where you get this? Where you get this from, Jnel? Toe your nose big, I go put me toe up on it. Yo, the first time I hear about that. But I forgot use that for a big nose, smaddy. Although my nose not really too big, state. My nose kinda fit my face. Nose not too big. Toe your nose big, I go put me toe up on it. Know yourself. Yeah. What I'm saying?
So my nose big. Some girl on it.
No, listen. Two of your nose big. I go put my two up on it.
You must get it now, come on. You must get it now, dog, come on.
Two of my nose big. John girl on it.
Come in, what?
Brother, two your nose big, you get that perfect. Come on, dog, come on.
One more try now, one more try.
Yeah, one more
Two of
try.
your nose big. I put my two up on it.
When Jnel say it, yeah, Jnel try to say it, for say it as fast as possible, the second part, just for make Bun not catch it properly, though. Jnel smart, you know. Jnel know him, though. Alright,
So my nose big,
Yeah.
the bucket up on it.
Yeah. You get it. You get
A
it.
two try, yeah. Yeah.
A two try, not
like,
three
like
try.
what? You just do three. Let's do three.
Alright, make it fair, yeah.
Yeah, you hear me? Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, hear the man. Yeah, hear the
I
man.
read it.
Yeah, lie, yeah, hear the man. Yeah, hear the man, Jnel.
Yeah, shit a bush.
If can't get that. If can't get that.
Shit a bush.
Look how Bun put him. Shit a bush. All the man forget that Bun. Bun, all the man forget that Bun.
You know, see no.
Yeah, I forget that. You know what me about, brother.
Shit a bush.
No, dog.
All of your mouth now move, brother.
Yeah.
Shit a bush.
You mouth now open, brother. You mouth now open, Bun. Make the thing fair, dog. Your shit a bush, that your face say. You shit a bush, oh that makes sense, dog. Bun.
What?
Shit a bush.
No, you say too fast. Him not get it. Him not get it. Him not get it. Him not get it.
Shit a bush. Shit a bush.
You say it a little bit better now.
Shit a bush.
Man, really said that.
Yeah. Him not get that.
You lose the man.
Your mouth even move.
Yeah, him out now. Yeah, him out now. Yeah, him out now
Mouth
move.
now move. Some people
I
like
true.
never.
I true, dog. Him out never move. Boom, watch your teeth. Watch your face. Your
What you
teeth.
must say?
Your teeth, dog.
Next one. Next.
You say a pretty boy, your foot stink.
Huh! Trouble!
You
See a pretty boy, your foot stink.
You feel a pretty boy, you don't stay.
Say it again.
See a
Pretty boy, you say your foot stink.
You say a pretty boy, your foot stink.
Oh God, they must
Think
have
a pretty boy. What?
You're lose. You don't
You
get
say,
it.
listen. You say a pretty boy, your foot stink.
You must get it now, dog. Come on. Come on, the bun. You say a pretty boy, the first part, right?
No, you say that.
You say a pretty boy, your foot stink.
Then say a pretty boy, your foot stink.
What?
Then say a pretty boy, your foot stink.
You get the first part, dog.
So hungry. How you get that from you?
How him get that? Hold on. I must say him get it.
Then say a pretty boy, your foot stink.
How made the man get that Jnel? Better when I got that. When I got fresh up on the game, dog.
How you get that from you? When you're green, you smell like zinc.
Alright, I know your mouth now open, brother.
When you're
Yeah.
green, you smell
You
like
can never read them man and say, I know the man mouth now.
Him mouth now open for show. Bun. Go on better than bun. Bun can't fit. You know them little pitney there where can't take losing. A bun that, you know. If Yam, alright, Bun is a person, come across to me as a person like this. If you play a ball with Bun and a Bun ball, and Bun a lose, Bun and take it up and go on with it. Give me a ball, mama say give me a ball. Bun, you're a thief, Bun. You're a thief.
when you're green, you smell like zinc.
Yeah, that better.
When you're green, you smell like zinc.
That better now. You must get that Jnel. Come on.
Tastes like molasses.
Oh, good
When you're green,
Jnel.
you smell like zinc.
Come on,
Huh?
come on. No,
When you're green,
you smell like zinc. Even though why must say don't make no sense, cause when the green, if it smell like zinc. But
Green and smell like silk.
that close. That no.
When you're green, you smell like zinc.
Come on, you must get that now.
The way I'm green, it smell like stink.
Oh, it's Bun face, Bun evil in the dog.
Come again.
One more time, last time this. When you're green, you smell like zinc.
Come on, you must get that now. Come on, Jnel.
The way you're green,
No, when you're green.
it smell like
Zinc.
Sin.
No. That's Bun face.
You
No.
lose again, bro. When you're green, you smell like zinc.
I want a good thing. That one is quite hard. Jnel,
people come like me, I go lose.
Jnel, you're gonna lose if you don't find some hard one theme, dog. You're definitely gonna lose, brother. You need to find some harder one theme, brother. Quick and fast.
I lose by you. I don't know. You're not.
But the thing is, you know, when me attack, me make sure I say, yo,
Yeah, move your mouth.
Yes.
You act.
Yeah,
Watch out. People, me attack, me nepan.
Yeah, for sure.
Boon nepan.
Yeah. Me noticed that.
Figure out, me can't see no syllables.
You can't see the
You see me?
syllables.
Alright, come.
Alright, try window in there. Try window in there. Go on,
That one is a question.
Hmm?
That one is a question. The people make a talk like how Boon talk.
Yeah, do
Wanna
it.
say him can't. That's why me can't get to him. I say.
Do it.
You come and shop your lie.
But just say left that alone. Just say left that, brother. Just say left that, brother. Please. Me not unpause it because me fear what you gonna say. Me fear what you gonna say, dog. Just say no. Just say no. Just say no.
Nico mash up your life.
Bun, just don't answer, Bun. Don't answer, Bun.
Nico mash up your life.
Look at Jnel attack. He might do like what Bun do to him. Brother, don't answer.
Feel like for wife.
Oh God, what wife coming at this?
Me not know wife, my.
Nico mash up your life.
Nico, you mash up Bun life.
We know.
Nico mash up your life.
I saw you attack, Bun. The man I do it back to you.
Come on. If me pay for
It hard enough because here, yes, because him have on the headphone over him ears. It's very hard enough because the music also a distract him. So the only thing he have to go off for the lip. You see me? So when Jnel speak like that, like how Bun was speaking, when time him did I do it, it hard.
the Wi-Fi.
Nothing but Wi-Fi.
You connect to your Wi-Fi. You connect to your Wi-Fi.
Nope. Nico mash up your life.
Oh God. Last try, no?
You want in my life? You want in my
No!
life?
No man not say that. No man not say that. No man not go say that. No.
Nico mash up your life.
Nico mash up your life. Bono.
Yeah, that one up.
So I'm gonna use it.
That's what I'm telling you, don't answer it. I tell him don't answer it. I tell him do not answer that question there. Jnel, that's shaggy.
Alright. Next one again.
Yo, you know some have that?
Have one. Oh, Nico.
Yeah. I have that, you know?
So if you have that.
I have that for you too, you know?
Oh, you have that because me I take if I the song you have, me I say
You
yo.
want 20 baby with 20 baby mother.
You must get that dog. Come on. You want 20 baby with 20 baby mother? Question.
By two, what?
Say it again. You
You
want
want
20 baby with 20 baby mother?
Come on. Come again.
You want 20 baby with 20 baby mother?
20 matey with 2. Come again.
You want
20 baby with 20 baby mother dog. Come on, Jnel.
20 matey with 20 matey mother.
What?
Baby mother.
Baby mother.
Yeah.
You want 20
Come on, put,
baby
come on, put it in a make it make sense when you get it, dog.
with 20 baby mother.
Yeah.
Yeah. See that it makes sense.
People, I know Boone start talk, I can actually kinda read what I must say.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah,
True,
come
true,
on, man.
true.
Yeah, come
I agree
on.
with
One
that.
that for you. Alright. See if we can win that one, you know. Whether you there right down so sitting for Nico. What's so wrong there? Look like Mari. I'm Mari.
Ready? Shut your mouth with a little bit of money.
You not get that. You not get
Shut your
that.
mouth with a little bit of money.
Look how Jnel attack. Jnel still a do it, you know, because Jnel want catch up. Remember say 3-1, you know. You can't see Jnel score coming out of the way. You can't see film score. See him score there. Because I'm in the way. So you can't see him score. Or if you can see over here, so you can't see the score. Play.
Shut your mouth with a little bit of money.
See over here, so you can see the score.
Shut your mouth with a little bit of money.
And they see me already if you love me.
No, dog.
When they see me already love me.
No, papa.
Shut your mouth with a little bit of money.
Shut them out
But
to
with
the
a little bit of money. Life is sweet, like we dip it in a honey.
You see because people again, you see because I say out what me I say.
Yeah, we just good for this, bro. We just good for this, bro.
You're not good,
and
dog.
the damn thing you deaf me.
You're alright, you're not good.
The damn thing you deaf me,
I joke,
bro.
yeah, I'm good, man.
You not get the
Must
one.
get you, you know?
You not get the one, brother.
Must get you.
And see, I can take out that something ice cream.
You not get the one.
That's better, much better.
You ready? Ready? You love ball say you're a batty boy.
What?
You love ball say you're a batty boy.
What?
Come again.
You love
Bun.
ball say you're a batty boy.
So masturbate boy. Come again.
You love ball say you're a batty boy.
Yeah, masturbate your body. Body boy.
You love ball say you're a batty boy.
Where your ball for your body boy? Oh, okay.
Under that.
Most of it, my body boy. That's so wrong with you.
He never get that one there. Boone asks him, say, you love ball, so you're a batty boy. And him say, we are ball for your batty boy. He never get it, but give him a half pint in.
Right now, you must smell like shit.
Oh, God. Jnel, talk properly now.
Ready
Jnel.
now.
Got 2 times you do it.
Right now, you must smell like shit.
What? What's it? Whisper challenge smell like poop. I think I am going to say something about poop now.
Go again.
Right now, you must smell like shit.
When they lick you smell of shit.
No. Right now, you must smell like shit.
Come on, dog. You must get it.
Go again.
Right now, you must smell like shit.
Jnel.
And they won't smell like shit.
Under your mouth.
Get out of your mouth from. Alright, go again. Right now, you must smell.
Hold on.
He never ready.
Still not done.
Right now, your mouth smell like shit.
Jnel, I'm trying to.
One of my mouth smell like shit.
Listen, look when Jnel say it, yeah? Jnel still a continue how Bun did do it to him in the first half, you know. And that Jnel do, you know. Jnel, me feel like say if you stop that now, still, big man thing. Me feel like if you stop it now, cause 2 times Bun do it to you. But you still a continue it, dog. You not say it good enough, brother.
Like you want too much.
Under my mouth. You say under my mouth.
Yo, stop it. Come again. Right now, your mouth smell like shit.
Jnel move and shuffle up.
One time my mouth smell like shit.
Oh gosh, no. I 3 times that. Bun lose.
Right now, your mouth smell like shit.
You must get it now. Him get it. Him have to get it. We must smell.
Right now my mouth smell like shit.
Alright, get one more.
Yo, we don't know that you a style thing.
Yeah.
A style thing. What is? We know it. What is?
Alright, come again.
Oh! So them have the earpod in them ears and the headphone over the earpod. Okay, that's even more difficult. I thought it was just the headphone alone.
Thing, peeps. Style thing. Alright. Me just poop, you smell it?
Me just poop. You smell it?
Huh?
Me just poop. You smell it?
When I poop, it smell like milk.
Jnel, dog. Jnel, the bamboo's face. Yo, Jnel, relax on you with the man in the dog. Yeah.
Me just poop, you smell it?
You must get it now.
Huh?
Me just poop, you smell it?
You jump poop and smell like milk.
Jesus Christ, dog. Oh, you get that?
I don't more
Jump
thing.
poop and smell like milk.
No, so, yeah, I don't more funny thing when me just say my, me say me just poop, you smell it?
You must get that now, Jnel. You don't get it.
You just poop and it smell like shit.
Oh, God.
Make up for him just.
I wonder if Jnel can hear what him say before him say what him say. I wonder if him can hear what him think before him say it.
See, what? It's a poop and you smell it?
Huh?
Me just poop, you smell it?
Come again.
Me just poop, you smell it?
Huh?
Me just poop. You smell it?
You just poop and it tastes like
What?
what? Come again.
What your poop taste like?
They smell bad.
No, this is something about me just poop and it. Just poop and
Me
it.
just poop, you smell it?
You just poop and you like it.
Me just poop, you smell it?
I said just poop and you light it.
You just poop and you like it.
No, give up. Him give up now. It's time for him up now.
You just poop, you smell it.
Yeah, at least me get almost.
No, you don't get none like that.
still.
You get peace out, bro.
Yeah, the
Who's
first
the
part
lead?
again.
You get.
People, me lose already. How much left? One?
Yeah.
One left.
How long is the video? Oh, the map.
Alright, one left people. I try it to make him, get that one.
Yeah, you got thief.
I don't just.
People, if you don't like what me I do, I want to support the channel, just subscribe and like the video. Big up my brother them. See them up on the street, big them up, dog. Yo, rate them on them, dog.
You hear me? Alright, people, so watch the next other one, yeah? The music for me a while ago. When I actually write it down, you see me going to use it back.
Oh, which one this?
You are correct for your body, boy?
Oh, God, you must get that now. But I think, you know, it's like him I say, that him really just use for me a while. That me just really just, that me just use a while ago now. When they fight him, I really I say, let me dissect my brain, let me dissect. Look pan bone, I register exactly where Jnel just say. Look pan bone, look pan bone, look pan bone.
You are correct for your body, boy?
Man, I feel like you want to do me something when. Where you say, look at?
You are correct for your body, boy?
The girl you want give me a try?
What? Where you get that from?
Ready? Ready? You are correct for your body, boy? You are correct for your body, boy?
Come on, dad. The man use it for your while ago. You use it for the man while ago now.
Stop act like. What?
What?
Stop act like.
You are
Stop
correct for
act
your body, boy?
Stop act like me a batty boy.
Eh? Hold on. Ready?
Ready?
You are correct for your body, boy?
Yep.
When me a fly for me a batty boy.
Dog, the man just use the thing for your bone. Register na bone, register na bone, register na bone.
You switch it up for me.
No.
Him think him get it to the.
You are correct for your body, boy?
Come on.
You say I can see him think.
Yeah.
Me a batty.
Yeah. Yeah, better register.
You can see me lose already.
Yo, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna
You
you.
have more or
Two to Jnel,
Let me see.
and 6 to bone so far.
Yeah, me have one more. One last one.
Yo, I have a bonus. Is me in the panelist. Have it. Still a record. Alright. My time.
You have one more.
Me have a bonus one.
Oh. So me give that one now. Me have. This is my bonus one.
You hear bonus one, but there's some mad thing he must say.
You are the girl in dark chocolate, though.
Huh?
That's that long.
You are the girl in dark chocolate, right?
That long.
Come again.
You are the girl in dark chocolate, though.
Huh?
You are the girl in dark chocolate, right? You are the girl in dark chocolate, though.
Huh?
You
You got the girl in dark chocolate, though.
Something about girl like you though.
Uncle do alone and girl him
get
get
the chocolate part. You are the girl in dark chocolate, though.
Me him say something about clit.
Huh?
Me have say something.
Oh, you have to hear, first of all, I have something in your ears and over your ears. Jnel, the music stop playing. Look on Bone's face again. Jnel, the music stop playing. Look on Jnel's face. They're like, really, did I just say clit?
Something about clit.
Yo, but I said nothing about the clit, dog.
What you say? Come again.
You are the girl in dark chocolate, though.
I don't know. It says something about clit. I know it says something about clit.
Oh God.
Come again.
Okay, God, sexual play, so we're not
Yeah, dog.
talk about.
Man,
You
go
make me
far.
feel uncomfortable now. Ask him again.
What?
You
Yeah,
are
the girl them dark chocolate. Don't.
Me and the girl them chocolate though.
No, you miss part, dog. You miss part.
You cut.
You miss part,
Yeah,
dog.
yeah. What
You
you
know,
say?
but tell us, I know him say something about clit.
Okay.
I know hear something about
Bro,
clit.
dark chocolate down.
Oh, me know hear. Me know
You
hear.
know where you get this, you come close though. Alright. Let's say bonus on this.
Bonus. Believe I look on the phone. Let's show you the bonus.
Alright. Sorry about the earpiece, people. You don't know. I
No,
just said
that good man.
bad still.
Yeah, man, that good man. As long as it's a work, brother. You never try it look
Fix
that.
this.
As long as it's a work,
No, me
man.
not here. Nothing. Turn up it.
Turn up his sound. So, Jnel have 3, Bun have 6. Bun take that one by far. Cause Bun did that thief in the first half.
Ready? Ready? Whisper challenge.
You had the...
Ready? Whisper challenge.
No. Say it good, Jnel. Look how Jnel said it a while ago, the second time. Is that the first time?
Ready? Whisper challenge.
No, ISPA. What is ISPA? What is ISPA, Jnel? Jnel, what? Hey. He not rate that. If you get that something wrong.
Ready? Whisper challenge.
Yeah, the coffee. I can't know what him say a while ago to show.
When I clear him throat for ear, good.
Me I try put together with him just
Yeah.
When I clear him throat for ear,
Yep.
me good.
panel, bitch panel,
What?
panel, bitch panel.
Because he never said whisper, he said ISPA. Say it again, Jnel.
Ready? Whisper challenge.
Whisper. Him just say whisper now. Him just say whisper now.
Ready? Whisper
Jnel.
challenge.
And him a turn him
Girlfriend
face
Jnel.
away. Girlfriend, you see that?
Ready? Whisper challenge.
Yeah, wait, Sean.
Ready? Whisper challenge.
Oh, we are the whisper challenge.
Yeah, I make the man get that. You're taking too much time.
So, as you can see, you know.
That was a good video.
Yeah,
I like that video
loser.
there. Me enjoy that video there.
I don't even get one.
No, you
man,
get
you
4
come
or 3.
close, you come close, bro.
Wouldn't get about
6,
3 or 4 or something like that.
Oh my God.
You know, you
Almost
used to read lips. Only for time, you see me? So what gonna peeps, I don't know what I want to do now. Please like.
Come again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, you come here. Me here, you
Come again.
yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, you come here.
Me, yeah, you caught me here. Me, yeah, you caught me here. Continue like, nigga, what?
Me here, you come here. So peeps, I want to do now. Please like, share, and also subscribe to the
Yeah, man,
YouTube.
for real.
If you know want more video like this, you just drop it in the comment.
Yes.
Straight.
Even though I lose, more to drop it in the comment. See me.
Yes.
You me say, oh, no want more video like these.
Whisper Challenge Part 2
And
there.
we're gonna be here more often, guys. So please like up the
Wanna look
video,
interesting.
share up the video, and please subscribe
Up the video.
up the video.
Up the
You
video.
see me?
Cheers.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you don't know your
Do
boy
that,
Jnel
people.
peeps.
And you don't know your boy Boon?
And I'm out.
And
Yeah.
I'm out.
You know the thing go. Matter. People, if you don't want to see me do more reaction to these and other things, let me know. Please subscribe to my channel and also make sure you like my video. Big up my two brothers, Jnel and Bun Reactions. Please follow them also. That is them channel. You probably can't. Yeah, you can see it now. That is the channel name. So please, whoever they go subscribe to them. I'm a G them. Them really support me. To 261k. Get them to 265 at least, yo. Alright, so people, this is my first official video. Obviously, you know, say that channel are big, so it have whole heap more video upon it. It have enough video when me know. It now go show you which video I watch and which video I watch because I'm doing it on the new channel. The new channel, me actually sign into YouTube on the new channel, so it now go register. So, but there's plenty of different more. Jamaican try jerky, Jamaican try try Mexican candy enough of them, enough other ones today. So if you don't want to see me do more reaction to these and other people's videos as well, please leave it in the comment section and let me know. Alright? And guys, thank you for supporting me. Thank you. The next channel, the main channel, up on 12k ad. So you know, we are going. So big up on yourself. And like what Bun and Jnel say, I'm out.